Okay, dear students, very good afternoon. Today we are going to discussing about periodic functions concept. See, let us see. So first of all, what is the periodic function? Get ready. So a function f of x is said to be periodic function if there exists a positive real number t such that f of x plus t is equal to f of x for all x belongs to domain. Yeah, continuation. Then f of x is periodic function with the period t. Here t is nothing but least positive real number. What is another way? The function is said to be periodic function if its each value is repeated after a different interval. Okay, no? That is the definition. Otherwise, see carefully. I'm drawing the picture. For example, f of x is equal to sin x. Did anyone see? Yeah, replace x by x plus pi. Sin of x plus pi. Anyone tell me? 2 pi, x plus 2 pi. Sin x is coming. Sin of x plus 4 pi. Sin x is coming. Sin of x plus 6 pi. Sin x is coming. So what you are observing? 2 pi plus x. 4 pi plus x. 6 pi plus x. And so on. Finally, we are getting sin x. So what is the here periods of what here? 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, and so on like that. Among this case, which one is the least positive real number? 2 pi is the period of the given function. That is the meaning. Suppose sometimes they're giving graphs. This is the graph, see? Sin x graph. So this is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, like that, see? Minus pi, minus 2 pi. So what you are observing, anyone? After certain interval, graph is repeated, see carefully. 0 to 2 pi, see carefully. Anyone observing? Graph is repeated. 4 pi to 6 pi, 2 pi to 4 pi, 0 to 2 pi, like that, see? Same graph is the, see? That's why here certain graph is what is repeated in certain interval. That means what is the length? 2 pi minus 0. In physics we are calling the wavelength like that. Here mass means mathematically we are calling periodic function. Hurry up, write all of you. Okay. Next one, see. Here they given some examples. Period of sin x like that. See example. Anyone? Right on. Yeah. Properties of periodic functions. One, see. Sin x, cos x, secant x, cosecant x are periodic functions with the period 2 pi. Here students see. B. Tan x and cot x are periodic functions with the period pi. So please remember these values, all of you. Write down these values. So period of tan kx is, what is the formula? Pi by modulus of k. 1, 2. Period of sin kx is pi by 2 pi by modulus of k. Now, write down modulus of sin x, modulus of cos x. These are what are periodic functions with the period pi only. If anyone confusing, write down here. I'm giving proof also if you need. If you need. For example, what is the period of mod sin x? Is pi. Let us see how. F of x is equal to modulus of sin x. Replace x by pi plus x. What the result is coming? See. Sin 180 plus theta, that is minus sin theta. Modulus of minus sin x means sin mod sin x. This is what? F of x. So f of pi plus x is equal to f of x means here period is what? Pi. That's the meaning. 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi. So this is what? Anyone? Graph of y is equal to modulus of sin x. Write down. D and E are very, very important. For example, here, sin power nx, period is suppose 2 pi, this is pi. When it is possible, if n is odd number, if n is even number. Sometimes they're asking what is the period of sin power 2020x is anyone? Pi. Sometimes they can ask period of secant power 109x is what the answer is coming? 2 pi. Power is even or odd? You should observe that one. Examples. So after completing, tell me I can proceed. Similarly, see to Roman number 2, f of x is a periodic function with the period t, then c and d f of x is also periodic. F of x plus c periodic. F of x plus or minus c. Here, what is the c? Is there any constant? That means here, I'm writing one more example, see. Sometimes they can ask period of 3x plus 5 is what is the answer? 2 pi by 3, that is the meaning. Period of sine of 3x plus 5 is 2 pi by 3. This is another example. I am proceeding. Get ready. Next to see. These are very important examples. See, I'm choosing one example. Get ready. Dear students, find period of sine 2x minus cos 3x by cosecant 7x plus some cot x like that is given. Clear? So this is a very important formula. LCM of fractions is equal to what? LCM of numerators by SCF of denominators. Same formula is applicable for SCF also. Okay, no? SCF of fractions. What is the formula? SCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. So this formula is very important here, students. But in this case, how to find? How many functions are there here? There are 4. Sin 3x, cos 3x. First, my request is all of you find it individually. What is the period of sin 2x? Period of is how much? 2 pi by 2. That is what? Pi. Period of cos 3x. 2 pi by 3. Period of cosecant 7x. 2 pi by 7. Period of cot x. Pi by 1. Now find out any one LCM of pi, 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 7, pi by 1. What you are observing? So LCM of pi, 2 pi, 2 pi, pi by HCF of 1 comma 3 comma 7 comma 1. What is the LCM? 2 pi. What is the HCF? So finally, period of this one is how much? 2 pi. You should understand like that. See, D property is very important. LCM of rational with irrational is not. LCM of rational with irrational is possible, but one is irrational, one is rational means not possible. Be careful. So for that case also we'll take one example. Write on. Question number 10, extraordinary model, excellent model, that one. Question number 10, period of mod sin x plus mod cos x. Most of the people are doing silly mistakes here only. Okay, why? Because this is a special case problem. Actually, mod sin x period is pi, mod cos x period is also pi, but LCM is also pi is coming. But this is the exceptional case. Pi by 2 is also satisfying. According to the definition of period, in this case, period considered least positive real number, that is pi by 2. Example 10 special case. Pi by 2 is the period of the given function. Okay, I will take another example. See carefully. LCM, you don't know how to find LCM of numbers. LCM of 2 comma 3, 6. LCM of pi comma 2 pi comma 2 pi means what? See, LCM of pi comma 2 pi is how much? 2 pi. SCF is how much, dear students? 1 now. Check it once. What is the least common multiple? See, check it. LCM of 2 comma 4. Tell me. Jayant, what is the LCM of 2 comma 4? 4 only. Like that. See, on the same model I'm taking. Find out the period of the function f of x is equal to sin pi x by 2 plus 2 into cos of pi x by 3 minus tan pi x by 4. What is the period of this one? Individual find out. What is the period of this one? Sin pi x by 2 is how much? 2 pi by k. That means 4 is coming. Period of cos pi x by 3 means 6 is coming. Period of tan pi x by 4 means 4 is coming. Otherwise, write down. What is the period of sin kx? Any one. 2 pi by k. So period of tan kx is pi by modulus of k. So please remember. Now take the LCM. What is the LCM of 4, 6, 4, 12? That is the answer. See, dear students, write down variety models. Now discussing these type of models can expect in the examination. D. For example, find period of sin pi x plus cos 3x. Anyone? That is the question. What is the period of sin pi x plus cos 3x? Anyone? How to solve? Get ready. Okay. Individual first, what is the solution? Say, I told you period of sin pi x is how much? Anyone? 2 pi by pi. That means 2. Period of cos 3x is how much? 2 pi by 3. So therefore, LCM of 2 comma 2 pi by 3 is what is the answer? Does not exist. Why? One is rational, one is rational. Question number 2. Okay. Challenge this question. If period of the function f of x is equal to sine of root over integral part of n x. Okay, now in bracket denotes what is that? Greatest integer function is 2 pi. Then what you can say? Options 1 less than or equal to n less than 2, B 1 less than n less than 2, C 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to D 2 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 3. Which of the following options are true? Solution C. Get ready. Dear students, see, writing period of sine x is what is the formula? 2 pi by root over integral part of n. Accepting all of you? But according to the question, what is the given answer? 2 pi is given. Therefore, 2 pi by integral part root over integral part of n is equal to 2 pi. 2 pi cancel. So integral part of root over integral part of n is how much? 1. Integral part of n is how much? Squaring of 1. Integral part of n is equal to 1 means n can be what? That is the answer. So, question number 3. Period of modulus of sine 4x plus modulus of cos 4x is pi by 8. Check it how. Okay, modulus of sine x plus modulus of cos x is how much? Pi by 2. But here into 1 by 4 is there. So thoroughly should revise these formulas, all of you. See. Find which type of functions. Dear students, already discussed now how to find domain range, find it yourself, verify. This is the question I'm giving. Okay. 17 model. This is the one type of model. This is the DPP for you. Revise. Doubt is there, tomorrow ask me this one. In the class we discussed. How to verify one or not this type of models? Take f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Implies x1 is equal to x2 means 1 1. Otherwise not a 1 1. That is the meaning. Verify. Doubt is there, tomorrow discuss. Write on. Composite function. Keep reading, all of you. Composite function. Dear students, consider two functions. F and G are two functions. Clear? See the diagram. X to Y, Y to Z. See carefully. Then this one how to write G circle F maps X to Y. How to say? Consider, otherwise write down let X, Y, Z be three non-empty sets. Be three non-empty sets. Consider F maps X to Y, G maps Y to Z. Then what do you say? G circle F of X are maps. Wait just a minute. X to Z is called, what is that? Composite of F and G, and is denoted by like that. See, it's very important, this one. Note, sometimes existing G circle F, sometimes G F circle G is existing. See, but when it is possible, see carefully. In this case, when it is possible, G circle F means codomain of F must be same as domain of G. Then only G circle F is existing, otherwise not possible. What I am saying here? Codomain of F is equal to domain of G. Then only G circle F is existing. See the not A. Function G circle F will exist only when the range of F is subset of domain of G. Subset of domain of G. But in this case, in the same question concept, F circle C does not exist. Why? Anyone? Because codomain of G is not equal to domain of F completely. That's why all of you write a concept. What is the case? Note F circle G is not equal to G circle F. So G circle F, how to write, dear students? G of F of X. We should write like this. Dear students, properties of composite functions. What is that? See, 1. If both F and G are 1, 1, then G circle F is also 1, 1. B. Both F and G are on 2, then G circle F is on 2. So first two properties are very, very important. Okay? Na? These are very important. A, B, E. If both are bisective means then G circle F is also bisective. Say carefully. Now, question number 9 directly come to the point. Example, f of x is given 2x plus 3. Dear student, domain range codomain same here. G also. G of x is how much? X square plus 1. Then G circle F. Okay, G circle F means how to write G of f of x. Yeah, so what is the f of x? 2x plus 3. In the place of f of x, write down G of 2x plus 3. Now put this value in the given equation. Replace x by 2x plus 3. That is the meaning. Why? Since g of x is equal to x square plus 1. Replace x by 2x plus 3. Expand. That is the answer. G circle F. Same question I'm asking. What is the value of f circle g of x? Anyone? Here f circle g is existing. Why? See carefully. In this case also, f circle g is existing means what here? Codomain of g is equal to domain of f. Same. G of x. G of x means x square plus 1. So replace x by, that means 2 into x square plus 1 plus 3. So 2x square plus 5. That's why I told you. Conclusion, what is the conclusion? G circle f of x is not equal to f circle g of x. This conclusion is very, very important. Okay. So once again revise, okay, now how to find period of the given functions, composite functions. Dear students, inverse function. What is the next one? Properties of them. Discuss some important problems. Right on. Keep hitting inverse function. See carefully. Let f maps x to y be a function. Okay, now. If f is a one function, better I will draw the picture. See, I'm drawing the picture. Simple example I'm giving here. So see, what is the inverse function I'm giving? Get ready. Suppose f is a bijection, compulsory, then only inverse existing. Mapping from x to y, f map x to y is a bijection. Then this the x means what about this one? F of x small y. Then what about the symbol C? F inverse maps y to x. Right, this is a simple definition I'm giving. See, let f map, let f be a, what is that? Bijective function. Then a to x to y. Then f inverse maps y to x is called an inverse function. Is an inverse function. Simple definition. If it is not a bijection, then inverse does not exist here, students. So symbolically, how to write? See carefully. F of x is equal to y means if and only if f inverse of y is how much? X. That's the meaning. So for all x belongs to capital X, y belongs to capital Y. Right hand side is there, right on. Yellow color. Inverse existing means what here? That should be bijection. It's compulsory. So here I am giving some examples. See, some standard functions. Function is given inverse function. F maps closed interval 0 comma to infinity to infinity 0 to infinity. Yeah, case Soumya, what is your doubt? See carefully. F of x is equal to x square. Okay. F inverse of x is how much? Root x. First of all, dear students here, write down, but how to find F inverse? I'll give you the idea. Okay, na? Better I will write here. How to find inverse? Then only you can understand these examples. So please write all of you. Dear students, see head key bending. How to find inverse? Then only come to these examples. All of you, please. First step one. What is the first step? Anyone check y is equal to f of x is bijection or not? Why? If it is a bijection, then we can proceed. Otherwise, inverse does not exist. 2. So what is the meaning? If y is equal to f of x is invertible, then what you can say? X is what? F inverse of y. That's the case. Now we can verify whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, dear students, see. Clear it is the one function. Check it. 1 and so x square equal what? Take y. Then what is the value of x? Root y. That means f of x, f inverse of x how much? Root x. That is the meaning. So f inverse of y is equal to means what? Root y means you should understand f inverse of x is equal to root x. 1. After completing this concept, write down these examples only. F of x is equal to sin x. Then f inverse of x is how much? Sin inverse x. Domain, codomain both are interchanging. Inverse means C. Third one also cos inverse x. So we will discuss one question right on. It's a very, very important model. Right on. Dear students, I'm giving one previous question. If f maps 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity, what is the meaning? Domain, codomain both are same. Is defined by, for example, f of x is equal to 2 power x into x minus 1. Then find f inverse of x. Solution. So clearly, f of x is equal to 2 power x into x minus 1 is 1, 1. Why? Rough diagram, just simple. What is the case? The graph is approximate like this, na? Y is equal to a power x. Idea is there. A is what? Greater than 1. 2, base is 2. So strictly increasing. Last time I told you, if the function is strictly increasing, then I can say that the function is 1, 1. You want to verify actually, obviously inverse is existing. On to also, what would you take is equal to y, like that procedure. Okay? Inverse is also existing because for every element in codomain, it has at least one pre-image in domain also verify. Take x is equal to 1 existing, take 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So it has coming images. So clearly I'm writing f is bijection. Or what to do here? Inverse means what? What to do? 2 power x into x minus 1 is what? Take is equal to y every time. Dear students, apply logarithm on both sides. X square minus x is how much? Log y to the base 2. Following all of you? Apply logarithm on both sides. X square minus x minus log y to the base 2 is equal to 0. Express x in terms of y, not possible here. But what I'm doing here, using quadratic equations. What the case? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over 1 plus b square minus 4 is apply formula by 2. So what the meaning? F inverse of x is equal to, what the answer? 1 plus root over 1 plus 4 into log x to the base 2 by 2. But why I'm not taking minus here? Why? Because here negative values are not possible, only 1 to any positive. That's why here also I'm taking 1 plus. So this is the inverse function. F inverse of x is equal to, note, f and g are 2 bijective functions. Then G circle F whole inverse is equal to F inverse circle G inverse. Transpose idea is there. I mean transpose, no? Yeah. AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Matrix is determined. Matrix is same like that also. Still writing. After completing, please tell me. Properties of inverse function. Nothing is there, just now you discuss now. See. Inverse function, inverse of the bijection is also bijection function. Okay, it's unique. F inverse, O inverse, A transpose, O transpose is equal to A, like that same here also. D, just now given. Question number 20. F of x is equal to x plus 3, then what is the F inverse of x? Dear student, this is clearly 1, 1 and on 2, no doubt. Okay. Since F is bijection, then inverse is also existing in this case. Dear student, see. So here, okay, every time is equal to y, x plus x in terms of y. What is the result is coming here? See carefully. Yeah, small metric mistake is the wrong. Okay. Next of this one. Y is equal to x plus 3 means what is the x? Anyone? Y minus 3 by 2. Am I correct? This is the answer. Similarly, this one also. Same procedure, you can see. Dear students, here for you, I'm giving more shortcut note. So please write down. A polynomial function F maps R to R is onto. When we say that if degree is odd, otherwise into, if degree is even. So it's a very, very beautiful note. Correct. The function is into when f degree of f is even. Degree means what? A degree of f. Okay, you should understand. Degree of f. Even means into function, odd means onto function. So these two examples, what you're observing, degree is odd number, that's why it is onto function. Once if it is even, then it is into function. So please add this point. So before finding inverse function, you should verify whether it is bijection or not every time. What do you mean onto function? Range is equal to codomain. Into function means what? Where the function is not an onto function. Means range is subset of codomain. So like that, thoroughly revised formulas. See, this is the one more example. Beautiful example. See, what is the answer? F maps Q to Q, irrational numbers. F of x is equal to x and g of x is given x plus 2. Then F circle G whole inverse is 20 is what? Okay. Dear students, first of all, 2x means I told you both are bijection functions. F of x is equal to 2x means take is equal to y. So x is how much? Y by 2. So therefore, x is equal to y by 2 means what? F inverse of x is how much? X by 2. That's the meaning. X means what? F inverse of y, na? Like that. This is a 1. What about g of x? X plus 2 is equal to y. X is how much? Y minus 2. Therefore, g inverse of x is how much? X minus 2. Fine. So what they are asking? F circle G whole inverse. What is the formula? G inverse circle F inverse. I hope you're understanding. So G inverse of F inverse of X. 20. Question directly. F inverse of 20. Anyone? How much? 20 by 2. See carefully. In this case. Why? F inverse of 20 is equal to 20 by 2 means 10. Okay. So G inverse of 10. So G inverse of 10 is how much in this case? 8. So finally, what is the answer? 8. Sir, directly I want to find F circle G after that apply inverse means that is complicated. You can get the answer, but that is complicated. So all of you take some water, get ready, be active. All of you raise your hands, dear students. Ritvik, close your video. Okay, good. Hmm. Hands down. Okay. So these are the cases. Range, find the range. You can verify. Here I am giving some including solutions also. Okay. Now these are the problems. See. Hands down, please. Now see what is the question. What is the range of cos pi into integral part of x by 2? Hands down. Hands down. Cos pi into integral part of x by 2. Integral part of x is I told you it is an integer. Output is always integer. Okay. Now, how to find range here? Anyone? Output is always integer means here. See, take some suitable values. What is the domain of r here? Cos of what is the domain of cos of pi x by 2? Any real number. So take some 0. What is the results coming? See. So only output is what here? Option C possible. Yes. Not absolutely correct. Simply add, put directly x is equal to minus pi by 2, pi by 2, 0. That's all. You can get the idea. Example 10, it was the previous day advanced question, dear students. Okay. Pi value is how much? 3.14. So pi square is how much? Approximately 9.8. So integral part of pi square is how much? 9. Integral part of minus pi square? 10. Why? That is the meaning. This is the minus 10. Okay, the printing mistake. This is the minus 10. See, this is very, very important. Now, put these values in the given condition. Cos 9x plus cos minus 10x. Cos of minus theta. That is cos theta. You know very well. So apply these values. Finally, what you are getting function? Cos 9x plus cos 10x. F of pi by 2. Cos 9 pi by 2 plus cos 5 pi. This is 0. This is minus 1. So 0 plus minus 1 is how much? Minus 1. So similarly verify all the values how much you're getting. Dear students, I'm giving conclusion. Cos n pi is always 0. Sorry, minus 1. When n is odd number. 1. When n is even. Please remember these points, all of you. Cos n pi is given minus 1. My plus 1 is also possible. When is possible? When n is odd, when n is even. So what are the options? 1 is coming. Get ready. Okay, next one is, dear students, get ready. The next question. Shall I proceed? Okay. Still writing. So these are the questions, dear students. See. The range of the function y is equal to 3 into sine of root over pi square by 16 minus x square. Get ready, dear students. This is a beautiful example. See. Example 14C. Extraordinary question. This one. Try, otherwise doubt is there, we discuss. Answer is coming X. Example 4, it's very, very, very good, very, very important model. Dear students, see, note. I'm writing note. Period of fraction part of Kx is 1 by K. Please write on this one point. Period of fraction part of Kx is 1 by K. So what is the, this is what here, fraction part of X. What is the period? 1. Simple. Question number 16. Period of tan. Just now discuss this model. See, what is the period of this one? Pi is given. Then what is the value of K? Anyone? Same question discussed. See. So practice this one later. Okay, no? Already this model covered already. Yeah. Option is coming. Anyone? It is bisective. F maps. See, in this case, they are not giving codomain. But it is the bisective. Then what is the value of B? Bisective means what, dear students? Anyone? It is 1, 1 and on 2. That means here you should understand range is equal to codomain. That is the meaning. It's a very, very important point. The range of F is equal to codomain. Bisect means what to do here? Take is equal to y. So express x in terms of y. You're getting this one. Okay. What is the x? Any real number. Domain is what? Any real number. So 4 minus 4y is always greater than or equal to 0 means what? Y less than or equal to 1. So what is the range? Minus infinity comma 1. That is codomain. That is range. So these type of models, practice it once again. Is the 5-star question. Option 2. Once again I'm repeating. Bisective means what? It is 1, 1 and on 2. So what is the meaning? On 2 means range is equal to codomain. That means range is equal to codomain means B. So in this case we are going to find out what is the range. If you know range, that is the codomain. But tomorrow don't miss the class, dear students. Okay, now tomorrow we are discussing how to find number of functions. Number of 1, 1, number of 1, 2, number of bijections. Today we are discussing problems. Okay. I'm recording this one. You can watch it later if anybody want. Once again, revise, okay? In YouTube classes. So f of x is equal to minus x square plus 6x minus 8 is bisective. Okay. Arif is there? Raise your hand, Arif. SV Rajesh. Okay. So this is a variety model. See. How to solve? F of x is given, see. What is given, see? Anyone? F of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. X not equal to 0. Then find f of x plus f of 1 by x. So find out. Individual can find it, otherwise simplify. F of x means what here? This is the case. Can replace x by 1 by x means anyone, what is the value of f of 1 by x? Anyone? First simplify this case. X minus 1 by x plus 1. So f of x minus 1 by x plus 1 is coming. This is what here f of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now put these values in the given conditions. Replace x by whole part. Simplify. We are getting x plus 1 by x. So dear students, x plus 1 by x by 2 greater than or equal to 1. How? AM is greater than or equal to AM is greater than or equal to GM. This much are not required directly. Always option 2. Use directly AM is greater than or equal to GM. Write down. K. Sivakrishnamoorthy is there. Sarvan Reddy, Mohit, Sairam. Okay, good. Okay. Next one, see. This is the see, we are discussing problems. So many questions are there, we discuss. So I'm sharing this file. You can share, okay, practice this one, okay, don't worry. 21C, you can practice also 21. Which one is difficult? I will explain. Yeah, this is a beautiful question. 3 times f of x plus 5 times f of 1 by x is equal to 1 by x minus 3. Then find f of x. See carefully. So in this case, replace x by 1 by x. Sir, why you are doing like this only? Because what they're asking f of 1 by x. That means what here? You should eliminate f of 1 by x. So replace x by 1 by x means 1. So eliminating, idea is there. System of two linear equations, how to eliminate? Using cross multiplication method, substitution method, like that. Cross multiply, anything. Eliminate one variable. So what the f of x is coming? Option 2. Sometimes they're asking what is the value of f of 1, f of 10. Procedure is same like this one. Okay, after sharing this one, you can write down, no problem. Or no. So dear student, these are also very, very important. See, especially example 26. Which of the following functions is inverse to itself? Okay, now verify all the cases. Means what here? Suppose if you are taking is equal to y, express x in terms of y, same thing. F inverse of x is how much is coming? X is coming. Best example like this. See, verify which one is coming. It means what? F of x is equal to F inverse of x. That means what here? F circle F of x is how much? F circle F of x is coming x where? For what values of, means for what functions, what type of functions it is coming x. See, example 1, 2, 3 verify, 1 is satisfied. 3 not possible, already verified. 1 is correct. F of x is equal to F of x. That's the meaning. I will say another file. See, get ready.